If you don't change any of the settings, when you start using Obsidian and you create, let's say, a note here, a new note, and drag an image or any file for that matter into that note, Obsidian will always copy the file to your main folder, to the vault folder. It's right here. This, of course, will make the space get crowded very fast. So let's delete this here, delete this, and go to the settings. Now, if we go to the settings and then files and links, around the middle here, there is this default location for new attachments. As you can see here, the default one is, the selected one is Vault folder. But if we click here, there are some options, and there is also this option here in the folder specified below. I'm going to add here exactly the same thing I have in my real account, files. It's a files folder that sits inside the timeline folder. Here it is. That's it. Nothing else. There's nothing else you need to do. So let's do that again. I'm going to create a new node here. I'm going to drag the file here. And as you can see, it's not here. But if we go to the timeline, there it is. If it was helpful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And for more quick tips like this, take a look at this playlist here. Thank you for your time. See you soon.